Safety. Safety is a top priority in aviation, and airplanes are designed, built, and operated with numerous safety features to ensure the safety of passengers, crew, and others on the ground. Here are some of the safety measures implemented in the aviation industry. Regular maintenance and inspections. Airplanes undergo regular maintenance and inspections to ensure they are in good working condition and meet safety standards. Pilot training and certification. Pilots are required to undergo rigorous training and certification to ensure they have the knowledge and skills necessary to operate an airplane safely. Safety features in the design of airplanes. Airplanes are designed with a variety of safety features such as redundant systems, backup power, and emergency procedures in the event of an equipment failure.